are back. My voice. We are back with another Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys are ready for this. We have so many new things. We have all new beauty collection, all that. And yeah, I'm surprised. Normally my Dollar Tree videos get a lot more views than they've been getting. I'm like, what am I doing wrong? Do you know what I'm saying? So, if any tips, please let me know. But anyway, so today is a Dollar Tree haul video. Once again, yeah, so grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's just jump into it. So the first thing I got, these are like new packaging, but they're the BioPure portable soap sheets in lavender. Just add water, instant soap, and you hold 20 sheets in here. So, pretty cool. I guess it's a new packaging, whatever. Then I got the VO5 Blowout Accelerator, primes, detangles, and protects. Soothing leave-in treatment for long-lasting blowout for daily use. I need anything that can contain this frizz. Like this, no matter what I do, this is what my hair looks like. So hopefully this might help me. So got that. Sorry, I don't know what the lighting is doing. Got that. Then we have a whole bag of the new eyeliner collection. The Pink Cowgirl collection. So the first thing we have here is the lip and cheek tint in Bonnie Pink. So it looks like that. Looks like that. And I like it because it's not like too dark, but it's not too light either. So we have that. Then we have the Pout Paint in Liberty Coral. So it's kind of giving the same color vibe as Bonnie, honestly. So we got that. Then we got the Lip Shine Gloss in Wyoma Peach. I definitely like this one. I almost said flavor. Color. So we got that. I did not get any of the lashes or mascara or the eyeliner because I don't wear it, so why would I get it? So that is... Actually, I did get the mascara. Okay, I didn't know that. So we got the mascara. Did not realize that. But I did not get any lashes. Then we got the Hybrid Blush in Gracie Coral. And that's what it looks like. Definitely, we're gonna do a whole video trying this whole collection because I'm very excited. So we got that. Then we got the Hybrid Blush, Mousse Liquid Hybrid Blush in Cali Pink. I keep showing the wrong side. And obviously that's Hot Pink. I'm so excited to try this one. So we got that. Then we got, another Bonnie. Then we got the Dakota Pink Lip Shine Gloss. I tried this in yesterday's video, actually. Or not yesterday's video. The Get Ready With Me video. I tried that. Then we have, I got another Bonnie Pink. Then we got the Cali Pink. I think I already said that one. Sorry, I'm like... Then we got the Wrangler Pout Paint in Cheyenne Pink. So a little mauvey, darker pink. Then we got the other Lip Shine Gloss in Wyoma Peach, which again is a little bit darker. Then we got the Shiloh Brown Hybrid Liquid Blush. I'm going to use this as a bronzer and blush combo. Then the last lip tint is Annie Red. So, just a red lip tint. So that is that collection minus the eyelashes. But if you guys want to see a whole video on me trying that, let me know. Then I restocked on my flat top foundation brush. This is my favorite foundation brush, and I needed another one, hence got that. Then I got another tattoo duck, because this was going in a little gift basket. I still think these are so fun. So I got that. And I got another pink and yellow diamond. Sorry, something just flew across. Diamond and pink, yellow and pink diamond ducks. So, I got that. Then, sorry, I'm just reaching in. got another one for gift bag. Then I got this notebook, and it just says she's in her hot girl era. And I just thought, you know what, this is motivating. I'm gonna journal in this thing. 2026. Let's go. It's my birthday month, you know? So I got that for my own good. I'm gonna get this stuff out and we'll show you guys. Then we got this mini mint, which is like, you know, you put your hand in it and get pots and whatever. And SpongeBob and Patrick, I had to have this. This was so cute. So we got this. Then I got the little matching towel to go with it. Because, you know what? Super cute. So got that. Then I got the Freeman Exfoliating Body Scrub in Coffee Scented. I was super intrigued by this because, actually, let's smell it. Doesn't, I can't tell, but I'm very intrigued by this. So we got that. Then we got the value pack of Beauty Blenders blending sponges because I was obsessed with these colors. Just thought they were super pretty. So we got these ones. Then we got these colors. I think these are so summery colors. These are going in my beach, like, summer bag. So we got that. Then I got these big Color Cues pens. As we know, I love to journal. So when I saw how, like, summery and pretty, like, these colors are, yeah, for Dark 5. Yes, please. And you get 10 in here. So we got those. Then we got these 3 facial safety razors made with wheat straw. So I was like, okay. So just got these. You can never use enough razors. Got those. Then I got this little decor thing. I know we saw, like, always the dark brown in these, but I never saw the white version. So I was like, this is super cute for perfume. So we got that. Then we got this notebook that says great ideas on it, and it has all this fruit. I just thought it was super cute because, like I said, I love to journal. So super cute for that. Then I got another one of these Dr. Zitz Mad Lab. Smells so good. Whatever this even, I don't even know what this is. There's no directions or anything, so I guess it's just like slime. But that's that. Then I got these pair pack of pillowcases, 2 pillowcases, and they're just these really pretty purple color. I thought they'd be cute for like summer, fall, whenever, honestly. So I got that. Then, super random, but I got this sphere ball thing. It caught my eye at the checkout lane, like everything else does, literally. So we're gonna see what this is. Oh. So I guess it just, I feel so dumb because I can't figure out what this is. Oh. So it just, like, spins, I guess. I feel so dumb that I cannot figure this out. Oh, there we go. So it just spins. So, if you're smarter than me, you can figure out really what this thing does. You might have more fun with this than me. But it's a ball, and then I guess it just, whatever. Anyway, there's that. That was its checkout line for $1.75. Then we have the Fest Best Candy Scent Lip Gloss with a little charm on it. Then I got 2 different shades of the Pro Lux foundation because in my Get Ready With Me video, I used this, and I don't remember what shade I used. I'll have to look back on it. But I got 2 new shades to try because I love this foundation. I really do. So I was like, I'm going to try 2 different shades. So I got Ivory and Porcelain. So we shall see. If you want another Get Ready With Me video, let me know. Then I just got the brown little hand sanitizer case because I like the color. But everything's falling. Then I got the Raspberry Spice Liquid Blush. I love this one because I use this as a bronzer and blush. So I just got another one. So we got that. Then we have, oh, I'll show this first. I don't know why I had to have this. Just how cute. You know, I gotta get these Valentine's Day things off of here because cuter. So there's that. Then we just got the Spa Luxury Brazilian Flora lip butters. We got the Brazilian Flora. It's lighting. The sun is not my friend. Then we got Orchard. I held these before, so that's why I'm kind of. And then we got Hibiscus and Brazilian Soul. This one's definitely my favorite. I tried it in another video. It smells so good, and it really is so moisturizing. So definitely 10 out of 10 for that. But that completes this video. I'm still trying to figure out this stupid toy. Like, this toy actually has me infuriated because I can't figure out what to do with it. So, but there's the, oh, you just literally just twist it. I'm so dumb. You literally just twist it. Okay, but anyway, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely found a lot of new stuff, so I'm very excited about that. But comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, and don't forget to subscribe and share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.